We'll guide you through how to use Wix Inbox to manage your communications effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on the option labeled Inbox. This will open the Wix Inbox interface where you can manage all your messages in one place. Here, you'll see different tabs like All, Unread, Assigned to Me, and more, which help you filter and organize your conversations efficiently. To start a new message or reply to an existing one, click on the conversation you wish to engage with. You can type your response in the text box at the bottom and hit Send. If you need to attach files or images, simply click on the paperclip icon next to the text box. Wix Inbox also allows you to assign conversations to team members if you're working with a team. Just click on the Assign button and select the team member from the list. You can also tag conversations with labels for better organization. To do this, click on Add Label and choose or create a label that fits the conversation. Additionally, you can set up automated responses by going to the Automations section in your dashboard. This is great for responding to customers outside business hours. Click Create New Automation and follow the prompts to set it up. With these tools, Wix Inbox makes it easy to keep all communications organized and responsive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.